For anyone who has lived or does live in a rural community, riding home on your bike after a session at the pub may make sense. Of course, it isn't a wise move, and we would never condone this method of transport when intoxicated. But in the Welsh town of Llanwrtyd Wells, it is definitely encouraged during the Real Ale Wobble festival. Beer plus bikes equals a little bit of a wobble, so you can see why the name sticks. And cyclists come from far and wide to the joint beer and mountain biking festival. They all come for the exercise and the beautiful surroundings.
I come to this event purely because of the mud and the beer. It's a great atmosphere, a whole load of laughs.
Well, some of them do.
It's mostly the beer, I have to say. Was the main reason.
It's fair to say that most riders / beer drinkers don't make it to the start line for the second day's ride. And who can blame them?